fam? I wanted to bring you a quick video today to show you a nice little flip I did this morning. Just a small one, but it was conservative. So this morning I made about $150 on trading this. I bought two NFTs, one at 0.12 and another one at 0.13. I sold it at 0.185 and then sold the other one at 0.189 ETH. And so that equals about 150 bucks. And here was kind of my thought process for doing this. So this is a project Daisuke. And as you know, as I mentioned yesterday, anime, any sort of anime art is absolutely crushing it. So look how similar that is to Kiwami. Look how similar that is to Miri. And these two have mooned 0.95 ETH in the last week. 0.1 or 1.3 ETH. It's just crazy. A lot of people are just going into these projects simply because anime seems to be picking up a lot of steam. And so Daisuke, looking very similar to that, kind of gave me the feeling that this is going to do something well. And then the project itself is actually not very good. Why do I say that? I don't think the community is that strong. If you look at the Twitter page, it only has 4,000 followers. And only recently did their pictures start getting a lot of engagement. So look at this one. It's got 800 likes, so that's good engagement. This one's got 81 likes. But if you go further back, this one's got 200 likes. If you go further back, the engagement was kind of crappy. I mean, the engagement was only at around 70, 80 likes. And so, I think it's just because of the recent anime trend that this started getting a lot of likes. But before, when the project had to stand on its own without the anime trend really kicking in, 30 likes, it wasn't very strong. And so I don't think the community and the project team itself is very good. I haven't done much. Now, granted, I haven't done all the research on the team. All I did was look at the Twitter page and how many, and look at the engagement. So this is kind of a quick analysis that I did. But based on that, I don't think it's very good. But my conviction for making this trade was based on the fact that I knew the anime trend was strong, and then I looked at the price action here. Well, first of all, let me go to the volume. You want to get into a project with volume before you ever make any trade. So this, you go to the activity on OpenSea. Now, normally you want about at least, I would say, 3 to 10 sales every minute. And you look at this, you can say, look at sale here, sale here, sale here, sale here, sale here. Look, it's got several sales. To me, when I looked at it, it had between 3 to, I would say, 15 sales a minute. So that's decent. That's reasonable. Then I looked at the price action. So this is the graph here. In this is the floor price in ETH, and this is over time. So you can see that it bottoms out here, and then it sees some resistance here. So the support was at about 0.13, and the resistance ended up being around 0.2, and it was consistent. You could see it here, you could see it here, and this is 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours. So this is pretty consistent. So when I saw that, I knew that if I bought on the next dip, which was here, I purchased here at 0.12 and 0.13, and I sold here at close to 0.2. And normally, psychological resistance is seen at around 0.2, so you want to sell it for a little bit below 0.2. So that's exactly what I did. Now, if I wanted to make more money, I feel like I could have bought more of this, but like I said, I didn't like the project, and I just didn't want to put too much at risk. I could even wait for the next dip and do it again, buy more on the dip, and sell on the pump and do the same thing. But this was just a nice quick little flip that I did, just based on looking at trends and looking at the price action and where you see areas of resistance and areas of support. So yeah, nice and easy one here. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Talk to you later.